everyone, we are here. You can see them right here waving my wand inside defense against the dark classroom. You can see the girl right here in front of the classroom. In just a few moments, I'm gonna show you the art of one combat. I'm gonna show you 5 moves. We're gonna do all the moves together, and then later on we're gonna turn this into an epic battle with some damages. But we all do it together, it's gonna be very good. Trust me. So now introduction. So hello everyone, my name is Benji. It's my absolute pleasure to see you every single day. And I'm gonna be your professor of the day to show you 5 moves. Now first thing first, if you have your own wand, you're welcome to use your own wand. But if you don't have a wand, don't worry, you're still welcome to use your hands. If you remember, Voldemort can disarm Harry with just his hands. It shows how powerful you are as a wizard. Now second of all, we're gonna space it over there. We want some space in case you hit someone next to you to try out all the moves together. Okay, are you ready? We're gonna start with our move number 1. We're gonna go to our starting position. And no matter what, we will always go back to our starting position. So we're gonna put our left leg forward and right leg at the back. And we're gonna bend down a little bit so you're always ready for the battle. Very good. And we're gonna put a one way above your head, aiming to your target, and then use the left hand to the aim also. Very good. And we're gonna whip your one forward to cast your spell. Amazing. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, whip. Very good. And now we're gonna try move number 2. This one we're gonna move our right leg. So we're gonna step forward with our right leg, and then we're gonna aim the one to the front. So we're gonna step forward and then aim the one to the front. Very good. Now let's go back to the starting position. So we're gonna step forward and aim the one to the front. Very good. Good job, everyone. And now we're gonna try move number 3. It's very straightforward. We're gonna put a wand right below your arm like this to cast the spell. And when you want to, you can also use your arm to protect yourself like this. Very good. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3. Put a wand right below your arm. Good job. Now we know 3 moves. Now only trick 3 men that will combine different moves all together to form what we call one combo. The idea is very simple. I'm going to tell you about a number of the moves and we're going to do them out of order. Okay, you ready? We're going to start with move number 3. Very good. This is move number 3. And we'll go to move number 1. And move number 2. Move number 3. Move number 1. Move number 2. Move number 1. Move number 3. Move number 4. That's why I'm going to show you move number 4. I'm going to show you move number 4 right now. So we know how to attack, we also need to know how to protect ourselves. So imagine we're creating a shield right in front of you. So we're going to use your wand to draw a circle in front of you. And then we're going to put the wand in front of like this to hold that shield. And then we will push the spell back to your attacker like this. Very good. Let's try one more time. We're going to draw a circle in front of you. Put it in front of your arm. Hold your shield and then we're going to push it back. Amazing, well done everyone. And now I'm going to show you what we call a super move. Very important that we will definitely need this later on. Trust me. So this is what we call battle rhythms. It was the move that Voldemort used during the battle of the Ministry of Magic. You can see right there on the screen. It's very straightforward. We're going to gather the energy around us. So we're going to put our legs together, bend down a little bit like this, and we're going to use both hands to gather all the energy from the earth to the tip of the wand, and then go step forward. Be the target. Good job, everyone. Let's try one more time. We're gonna gather all the energy around you to the tip of your wand and step forward. Be the target. Good job, everyone. So now you know all 5 moves. I think you're ready for some real challenges. I think you're all ready to face the forces of people. In just a few moments, we will be fighting some damages. Remember all the moves that I showed you, we should be able to survive this all together, okay? We have 1 damages of them. We have 30 people right here. You should be able to fight 1 damages, right? We're gonna trick pass, trick first. No hesitation right there. We have another one right here. We have 2 damages. If we can fight 2 damages, okay? 30 to go, 2 damages. We can do this. We're gonna start this again. Move number 1. Good job. We're very lucky to have you right here at the Wizarding World. Okay, go back to the dark room. Well, good job everyone. You're all doing so well. Now you know how to protect yourself. You're now welcome to go inside the forbidden forest, and you'll be seeing some very big spiders. Well, good luck. Once again, my name is Benji. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thank you very much.